What a wonderful world.
Welcome to See and Learn 2014. This year, we have organized yet another dynamic event. 2014 marks the 12th consecutive See and Learn on Saba program. Each year, through the generosity of funding organizations and local sponsorship, the island of Saba hosts renowned scientists and experts in order to enhance environmental awareness. Allow me, in no particular order, to introduce the 2014 experts for this October. Kaitlin Mullen is a marine mammal biologist turned engineer. She'll introduce effective technical methods that determine the path of whales' migration and how Saba's fishermen can prevent whale entanglement without losing their catch. See her in action as she leads 2 field projects and a fascinating presentation. Tom Cronin has a lab motto: if it has eyes, we can study it. Explore Saba's seafloor with Tom in search of our mantis shrimp and to further understand the crustaceans on our sandy areas. As anoles outnumber people on Saba, don't you think we should know more about them? Susan Perkins will be on Saba for the 3rd time to teach us more about our cute lizard. Lionfish expert Fadila Ali will take us on a diving excursion to understand why we see lionfish where we do, what they are eating, and their impact on Saba and the Caribbean reefs. This is your chance to be part of one of the most important marine issues in the Caribbean. Who can forget the storm and torrential rainfall we experienced on December 23rd? Sonia Benka is an expert on atmospheric electricity. Start compiling your thunder and lightning questions. Joe Pollack will be informing us about the importance of sponges, particularly their chemical ecology. Dive with Joe and attend his presentation to learn how these simple organisms are taking over many of our reefs. Don't miss out on a hike and presentation with Bob Powell, the man who literally wrote the book on Saba and other islands' amphibians. All men are drawn to the sea, perilous though it may be. And this rings true for Brent Winter. He has caught, studied, and published scientific papers on a variety of Florida fish species, but his favorite is sharks. Mark your calendar for opening night, October 1st, when Brent Winter will teach us about shark reproduction. Mike Bach's main area of research is devoted solely to the extremes of eye evolution in marine invertebrates. Meet with Mike on a field project to learn more about the animal kingdom's diverse visual capabilities and how 2 scientists augment each other's work. This one's a mouthful. Dennis Goulet is a behavioral ecologist and ichthyologist who studies reproductive behavior and ecology of coral reef fishes. Sign up for Dennis's field project to learn more about how he incorporates genetic techniques to identify parentage and to investigate fish recruitment. Those of us who are lucky enough to live on Saba are well aware of the landslide that recently occurred in Ladder Bay. What caused it, and can we expect to have more? Dr. Jennifer Rahn has been studying Saba's coastline for more than 20 years. Join Jen on land, underwater, or at the Aegina Center to learn more about Saba's fragile coastlines. Adrian Del Neville will be back on Saba for his ongoing work with the Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance. This year, he will enlighten our children and adult audiences about the wonders of hummingbirds and some real specifics about the 3 species of hummingbirds found on Saba. Martin de Graaf is an expert on ecology and fisheries management. Look forward to an update of what the past year's research can tell us about the Saba Bank's role in the region. Plan a dive with Martin or sit back at a presentation and just absorb. How's that for a start? Be the first to know by checking out our website. seeandlearn.org is where you can learn about each expert as well as finding interesting links, a calendar of events, news, and more. For the more social of you, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And for those of us on island, the See and Learn information tent will be at Lambie's Place once again, where you can catch up on anything related to See and Learn 2014. Manning the tent this year will be the familiar faces of Leslie and Fred, along with the new arrival Serena from Holland. And as a special treat, local recent graduate Dahlia Hassel will join the See and Learn team. She will be interviewing experts and hosting the report programs on this channel. As you can see, there's plenty to look forward to this October. And once again, on behalf of the See and Learn Foundation, I want to extend our gratitude to all of our sponsors this year, including Prince Bernhard Culture Funds, Ministry of Economic Affairs, the William Frolick Foundation, and our many local sponsors, hotels, private homeowners, dive shops, retail shops, restaurants, taxi drivers, and more. Without the generosity of so many, the event simply cannot exist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in October. Remember, See and Learn, it's fun, it's free, and it's for everyone.
What a wonderful